Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to unbox something really awesome, and which is this. So this is the Toyota GR Yaris, and this is by Pop Race. And this one I bought it for around 1,600 rupees from one of my friend. And this one is a white color. This is a Pandem white. Okay, let's unbox and see how this one looks. So we did do unboxing on the Porsche Singer edition sometime back. That is also by Pop Race. So this is the second Pop Race which I own. Okay. So here is the closer look at the box first. So this is a collector's model. These are not supposed to play it with. So don't buy it for your kids. It is for adult collectors like us. Okay, let's unbox it. Okay, so here it is. Okay, that looks really different than I actually expected. I think it is mentioned as Rocket Bunny if I'm not wrong. I know there is a Rocket Bunny body kit. Wow, the headlights are actually some kind of fiber here. So this looks really beautiful. The first impressions of this car are like it looks really beautiful actually. You can see some kind of a difference here. I really don't know if it is only in my case or this is how they actually designed. This rear view mirror is a little bit okay, so you can adjust it here a little bit, I guess. I hope I am not breaking it. Okay, let's see. So tail lights are actually some kind of fiber. Does some good detailing to it on the base as well. So again, this whole thing is actually made of metal. And the tires are made of rubber. The rims looks really nice in my opinion. So I don't know what happened to this rear view mirror. I don't know whether it's broken or can't able to figure that out. But this one is really sturdy and this one is like shaky. So I really don't want to break it. Okay, let's do a roll test. So Pop Race cars are actually rollable, as you can see here. So let's do a roll test and see how this rolls. Nope. So both the wheels wobble a lot, but anyway, these are meant to be placed in a showcase, not to be played with. so I am okay with that. But at least for the specific model which I am having here, my only concern is the rear view mirrors. I'm not sure if it is supposed to look like this, or it is broken in my case. Even I need to watch some YouTube videos in this case. So if you have the same issue, drop me in the comments. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.